single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Whoa, this is a climb. Car has difficulties to get up there. Let's see what happens. It's a very high climb. Oh.
What an adventure.
Yeah. Well, I hope I can turn around up there, or I can go through, because if we can't, then we have a problem.
Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's a slope. It's a climb. It's a climb. Hope
Which
there's
is-
no other cars coming, or we have a problem.
I'm holding my breath on this moment at the moment.
Na 90 meter links afslaan, chemin de
Me
crucifix.
too.
Daarna
Kijk naar die poes. De pussycat, look. De mountainbiker. Die zit er toch ook bij af. Oeps. Zo. Waar is het? Vanaf de lotto.
Nee, ik zie hem niet. Bijna 12.
Yes, we have finally found the ruin, but yes, well, we can't get in. It's closed due COVID-19. Always the same thing. But I have made drone shots from it, and I'm gonna film a little here on the parking lot that's closest to the ruins. Then that's all I can show you for the moment of the ruin, but I hope you like it. Lots of nature. You can hear the birds, sing their songs. So quiet here. Also, the road down here is not open. But we tried it, and you can drive into this parking here, and then it's all over. So, see, there's a duck on the back there. Yeah, on the rock. It's a little pond. See this? So nice. This place is so nice. Then you have a bridge down there where the river goes under. And believe it or not, if you turn around but it's closed, there's a pizzeria. A little further you have the entrance to the ruins. It's private property, and at this moment it's closed up. Told you before, so we can't go in there. See you later, subscribe, and we'll be back soon.